Is there anything else that you've noticed after joining the program and kind of learning how to shift your messaging that you want to tell our audience so that they can also get onto places like BuzzFeed and Brides and Oprah?
Well, that's as a big topic. That is exactly what it is. It's changing my mindset from, first of all, from trying to sell. I went from trying to sell to both media and wholesale to trying to provide something that they need. So that's a simple thing, put it here, but it's a process, right? So I didn't get there overnight. I was in your program, and then it took me 3 to 4 months to even think that I had something to share, a service to provide, right? And then I think was something in one of your meetings with the group that I thought, I can actually provide a service, and I don't need to dump everything into one email. This month I can talk about this. Then I'm going to save some of my juice for another email, right? Because if they did not respond to this one, maybe next time they see that I know what I'm talking about.